A light in the darkness. Keep up with the latest designs and get your hands on the coolest light-up collectibles, lamps and figures from The Legend of Zelda. Our items feature beautiful artwork and imaginative design that every gamer will appreciate. Collect them all. There are so many ways to light up your collection with your favorite Zelda characters and symbols. Themed lamps featuring all the icons you love come in so many awesome styles, it's hard to choose just one. Fun wares for your adventure. Get the gifts that they will love to use every day, or enhance your own collection with officially licensed merchandise from The Legend of Zelda. Add the absolute best merch to your gaming collectible stash with Paladone. Top reviews from the United States. Better than expected. When I searched for this, I saw some comments on it being small. However, once I got it, I was shocked at how large it was. It's extremely beautiful and I recommend it for anyone who is a Legend of Zelda fan or gifting it to someone who likes it. All in all, I am very happy with it. The pages comes with the actual Stained Glass Zelda, the small dock with a button to turn it on and off, and a cable to connect it so it turns on. There is no outlet plug, only the cable, but it fits in any normal plug. iPhone or Android.